Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making the food that is loved on every street of Karachi, Lahore, Pakistan and India, and that is their famous Falooda Sevaiya. And these Sevaiya can be eaten with ice cream Falooda or kulfi Falooda, and this is the main ingredient. Without this, the whole thing is incomplete, and honestly, you guys have to try these. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I'm gonna start by turning the stove on back here, and I'm going to add in our 1 cup of water into it. Don't fall. I'm just going to let the water warm up a bit, and I'm going to add in our sugar. There. And I'm just going to whisk these together. Once the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to add in the corn flour or cornstarch. Oops. Take it out. Okay, and I'm just going to keep on whisking this until it comes together, until like in the middle of the pan. Start to see that it is starting to come together. If it's hard for you to dissolve the corn flour, you can add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. We just want it to become a little more thick now. Now this has become thick, I'm going to take this off the stove and bring this here. Okay, I'm just going to let this cool off a bit, and there. I'm just going to let this cool off so that it doesn't, burn you. I'm going to convert this to my bottle. I'm just going to put the whole thing in here. Okay, I have an ice water bath over here in which we're going to be putting this into. It's just basically ice and water. This is chilled water, not hot water. I'm just gonna put this whole thing in. Whoa. Wait, honestly, making this dish was a literal hand workout. First the whisking, and now this. 30 minutes, we are ready to take our Falooda Sevaiya out of our pot. Okay. It doesn't matter what shape they are, it's just necessary that it's crystallized. Okay, I'm just gonna take the ice cubes out of this first. Okay. After 30 minutes, we are ready to see our Falooda Sevaiya now. It doesn't matter what shape they are, it just matters that they're crystallized. In you go. I'm just getting the ice crystals out right now. You can see them at the bottom. I don't know if you can, but like I can. It's like catching them in a fishing net. I can't. Where is it? Oops. And the last one. There. Okay, and now I'm just going to strain them. Be careful. Ooh, yum. There you have it. Okay. And out they go. Just carefully, we don't want them to break. And there you have it, your Falooda Sevaiya. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, these are so delicate right now, but you can see like this one. Oh, I'm so scared right now picking them up. I'm just scared they'll break. Like, that's awesome. And like, there you guys, there you go. You have it, your Falooda Sevaiya are ready. And they look amazing. I'm just surprised. And if you guys like this video, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye! We are going to be assembling our Falooda. And this is the most exciting part. Okay, over here I have our homemade Peshawari ice cream. I'm just going to take the
link will be in the comments down below
for the recipe. Da-da-da-da. There you have it. Okay. There. I'm just going to take the thing off. Okay, so there's your strawberry ice cream. I have homemade Falooda noodles here. I'll also put the link in the description below for the recipe. And homemade Falooda milk. And I'll also put the link in the description below for this. So this is 100% homemade, natural, organic, straight from home. You know, stay safe from coronavirus. Okay, I have a tumbler here in which we're going to be putting our Falooda together. Okay, I'm going to take a scoop of ice cream. Whoa.
Oh my god, Liva, that's so good.
Okay, if it would come out, that would be nice. Okay, there. I'm going to take our Falooda Sev Falooda. Just top up. Okay, and last but not least, our Falooda milk. Thing that gives it the best taste. Why not? And I'm going to add in one more scoop of ice cream because you know it's the best. Top it up.
It's like the ones that you see when you
And
go to
there
the
you
restaurant.
have it. Your homemade Falooda. Looks amazing. Just gonna try this. Whoa, it looks so good.
Dig deep in.
Classic Falooda.
Pure
So
goodness.
good. Okay, yep. I'm just gonna finish this. And while I do, you guys can turn the bell icon on and subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.